Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 10th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I still think this is a regular flat, and I'm targeting the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A projected off the top of wave B because that's where you would normally target for a flat. It could possibly turn at the 90% also, but I think we are more than likely in a wave 3 right now. I think it's likely going to end up looking something like this for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C. So if that's correct, then we definitely do want to primarily stay bearish, especially on the sort of time frames. On the sort of time frames, we do see what looks like a possible five-wave pattern right here. So maybe, I personally am not trading it to the long side, but maybe today is going to be a pullback day. If it does go up and break this structure, the first thing I would do is throw my Fibonacci retracement on the last five waves down, and I would observe it to see if it makes like a three-way pullback and a Fibonacci bounce for another entry to go short. I say that I'm definitely not trading it to the long side because the trend is down on the longer time frames. It doesn't even really have to make a significant pullback. It could just keep drifting down. It could pull back a little bit, make a lower high, and then keep drifting down. When you're in a trend on the higher time frames, you don't really want to care about the counter trend moves. You just want to try to focus on getting short at the end of every single pullback you see. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.